Daheng's R&D strength is showcased in its customization. I will be introducing the vacuum glue dispensing tuner production line. Featuring a double elevator for intelligent material flow and a double glue dispensing machine for multi-station operation, the 10-meter tunnel furnace ensures precise temperature control, and the vacuum chamber guarantees a bubble-free high-density glue layer. D&H meets new manufacturing trends by offering customized servers that support industrial upgrades from standardized production line to flexible scheduling and intelligent factories. Choose Daheng for efficient smart manufacturing. Consult now, unlock your customized glue control production line.